Here are the steps for an endodontics procedure. First, apply topical to the injection site. You will then pass the anesthetic syringe, and then you will rinse and dry the injection area. You will then start by placing the rubber dam on the tooth you will be working on. This is to help isolate the tooth and keep the tooth dry during the procedure. You will then maintain the operating field while the doctor accesses the pulp by using the high and low speed hand pieces. Once the doctor has removed all the pulp, you will then pass the Endodontic Explorer. The function of the Endodontic Explorer is to locate the opening of the small canal orifices for the endodontic procedure. You will then pass the endodontic sponge ring, which holds broaches, which remove pulp tissues from the canals, files, which cleans the inside of the canals, and then the reamers, which smooth the canal walls. We will then remove the dental frame and take an x-ray. Be sure to record the root length and the files. Once that is completed, place the dental frame back onto your patient, and then you're going to pass the irrigation syringe, which is 50% water and 50% bleach. The function of the irrigation syringe is to carry and dispense irrigating solution into the canal for cleansing during debridement of the canal. We are then going to pass the paper points to the doctor. The paper points are to dry the pulp chambers of the canal. New points are inserted repeatedly until the pulp chamber is completely dry. We are then going to pass the gutta percha. This is to fill the pulp chambers after completing the canal preparation. It is not shown, but you will assist with the master cone. This is to heat the gutta percha, which softens the material and helps it to become easier to compact. You will then remove the dental frame and take another x-ray. The next step would be mixing the sealer cement. You will dip the gutta percha in the sealer and pass it to the dentist. You will then pass the endodontic spreader to the dentist. The function of this is to help condense the gutta percha laterally in the canal. You will then pass the endodontic plugger, which helps condense the gutta percha vertically in the canal, and then you will also use the Glick instrument to condense the gutta percha into the endodontically prepared tooth. We will finally take one more x-ray, and once that is completed, we will remove the dental dam completely. We will mix the temporary filling and pass that to the doctor. Once that is set, we will then take our articulating paper and check the occlusion of the tooth.